If you have an artist who's Jewish and wants to perform in the Jewish arts, they're taking on a very difficult task. It's difficult to be an artist in general. It's particularly difficult to be an artist in any of the Jewish areas because, of course, your audience is that much smaller. Anybody who goes into the arts needs to be passionate. If you're passionate about the arts, then it doesn't matter how difficult it's going to be. You're going to do it because that's what you're passionate about. If you want to do it in Yiddish, now you've got quite a high mountain to be able to climb. But at the top of that mountain, you are going to find a treasure. And so I would say follow your dream. If you're passionate about it, and if you feel that that is your way of being able to convey the history, the glorious history of our people, then do it. And find every way that you can, because by the doing of it, you will find fulfillment. And you know what they say, you want to play, you got to buy a ticket. So if you want it to happen, you can't have it happen by sitting on your hands. And most of us spend our lives sitting on our hands. And I have tremendous admiration. I can't tell you how great an admiration I have for Yiddish and Jewish artists in general and Yiddish artists in particular. It is a tremendous statement that they're making, quite often to their personal economic and financial benefit, but they're doing it for the love of it. And at the end of the day, when you've lived your life, you need to be able to look back and say, did I have fun? Did I enjoy doing what I was doing? Oh yes, I did. And did I at the same time build more of a foundation on which others can come up? Did I put another rung on that ladder? And if you've done that, then what more can you ask of yourself?